saving money for your child's college education. Welcome to our channel on personal finance. Today we're talking about one of the biggest investments you can make in your child's future, saving for their college education. We all want the best for our children, and a college education can open up countless opportunities for them. But with rising tuition costs, it can be challenging to save enough money. In this video, we'll share some unique and interesting ways to save for your child's college education that can be applied to people in all regions. So, let's dive in and learn how to make college more affordable for your family. Saving for your child's college education can be a daunting task, but it is one of the most important investments you can make in your child's future. Not only does a college education increase their earning potential, but it also provides them with opportunities for personal growth and development. In this article, we'll explore some unique and interesting ways to save for your child's college education that can be applied to people in all regions. 1. Start early. The earlier you start saving for your child's college education, the better. Even if you can only contribute a small amount each month, it can add up over time thanks to the power of compounding. Starting early also gives you more time to adjust your savings plan if necessary. 2. Consider a 529 plan. A 529 plan is a tax-advantaged savings plan specifically designed for education expenses. Many states offer their own 529 plans, but you can also invest in plans offered by other states. Funds in a 529 plan can be used for tuition, room and board, books, and other qualified education expenses. 3. Get creative with saving challenges. There are plenty of creative ways to encourage yourself to save more money. For example, you could set a goal to save a certain amount each week, and then reward yourself with something small when you hit your goal. Or you could challenge yourself to find ways to cut back on your expenses and put that money into a college savings account. 4. Encourage your child to save. Encouraging your child to save for their education can help them develop a strong work ethic and a sense of responsibility. For example, you could match every dollar they save for college or give them incentives to save, such as a small allowance for contributing to their college fund. 5. Use cashback rewards. Many credit cards offer cashback rewards that can be used to fund a college savings account. If you use your credit card for everyday purchases and pay off the balance in full each month, you can earn cashback rewards that can be put toward your child's education. 6. Look for scholarships and grants. There are many scholarships and grants available to help fund your child's college education. Encourage your child to apply for as many as possible, and don't overlook smaller scholarships that may not have as many applicants. In conclusion, saving for your child's college education doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little creativity and effort, you can develop a plan that works for your family and helps your child achieve their dreams. Start early. Consider a 529 plan. Get creative with savings challenges. Encourage your child to save, use cashback rewards, and look for scholarships and grants. These tips can help make college more affordable for your family and set your child up for a successful future.